turning into dreams with the centuries. The tales get taller every year to build those legacies. What is hot can then be cold in the books of time. You can find justice and truth, yeah, in a bag of lies. Mama, I can feel you crying, mama. Whoa, mama, I can feel you crying, mama. I work the soil, I sow the seed for the one who builds, yeah. I worked until my fingers bleed in those wretched fields. Now he wants me to forget, yeah, all the harm's been done. Pack my bags and send me down the road in the burning sun. Mama, I can feel you crying, mama. Whoa, whoa, mama, I can feel you crying, mama.
Let me tell you about the people them enslaved all kinds of ways just to make a nation what it is today. They working on the sun, they working on the cold. They work when they're young and they work when they're old. They bust up their hands and they bust up their feet. When they complain they get nothing to eat. We buy the things that they suffer to build. I can't believe that it's going on still. The people them must struggle with their blood, sweat and tears. Work hard for nothing for so many long years.